everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to knit the sand stitch. This stitch is super beginner friendly, so without further ado we're just going to jump right into the tutorial. So to begin, what you're going to want to do is cast on in multiples of 2 and then add an additional 2. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here. Alright, so here I've cast on 18 stitches. We're going to work with that today. Alright, so now row 1 is going to be the right side of our work, and what we're going to do is knit the entire row. That's easy enough. Alright, now we're knitting that last row. That last stitch, rather. Alright, now that we've done that, we're going to turn our work. Then for row 2 of our 2-row repeat, what we're going to do is we're going to work a selvage stitch. Now, I always knit mine, so I'm just going to, go ahead and do that. Alright. And then what we're going to do is purl 1. So we're going to bring the yarn forward and we're going to purl. Alright. And then what you're going to do is start repeating the pattern of knit 1, purl 1 until you get to the last stitch. Right, doing my last knit of this row, and then I'm going to work my selvage stitch, and like I said, I always knit my selvage stitch, so I'm just going to do that. Alright, and that's our 2-row repeat. So when we turn our work and start the next row, we're just going to be doing a full row of knitting. And when this pattern is worked up, it really reminds me of the bamboo stitch that I did earlier in February. If you guys are curious about that super easy stitch, I'll also leave it, I'll try to leave it linked in the corner above. But they look really similar. I think this stitch is just shorter. The stalks that it makes are just shorter. Now we turn our work and we repeat row 2. So again, I'm going to work my selvage stitch with a knit stitch. Alright, in the next stitch I'm going to purl. Then I'm going to start the pattern of knit 1, purl 1 until I get to that last stitch of this row. Hey crafties, technical difficulties for the win, right? I don't know what happened to the next snippet of this video, but part of my audio and video is missing. I do apologize. Makeup, I'm going to leave you guys the written instructions over this overlay. And if you keep repeating rows 1 and 2 over and over again, you will get the same result as you get in the swatch picture. Alright, back to the video. Alright. Let me know if you guys enjoyed today's video today. Leave me a thumbs up. It helps the channel more than you know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on awesome weekly content. I typically post knitting type tutorials on Wednesdays at 9:30 a.m. CST, and I try to alternate between regular knitting and knitting with the central knitting machine. As I come up with ideas for the machine, I will put out more content. I'm currently working on another idea, and I will let you guys know about that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to keep up with me, I just released my website, published my website on Valentine's Day. I'm super happy and excited about it. It's been a fun learning curve, figuring out how everything works with running my own platform. So, you know, if you guys want to support the channel, you can head on over there, sign up for the newsletter, where I let people know about new and upcoming patterns of mine. I plan on releasing a couple here in March for crochet, so I'm excited about that. So you can be one of the first to know when those patterns launch by signing up for my newsletter, which is also linked down in my description box below. You can check me out on other social media. I'm on pretty much everything except for Snapchat, so I have a little something out there for everybody. And until next time, guys, happy making.